Local news for Friday the 4th of August. The Karori Sanctuary Trust, which manages Zealandia, has welcomed a Wairarapa resident, Peter Monk, to the board as a trustee. Mr Monk has a particular focus on tourism-related marketing. He served 2 terms on the board of Positively Wellington and Tourism and was head of marketing for Inter Islander. Other diverse roles have ranged from general manager of flybys to chief executive in IT and manufacturing ventures. Mr Monk currently manages Atarangi Martinborough in tandem with his own photography business, and he's also chairman of Toast Martinborough and the treasurer of Featherston Booktown Trust. The Big Latch On 2017 will be held today at the Carterton Event Centre, and the breastfeeding event is being promoted by Regional Public Health Wairarapa and Breastfeeding Wairarapa. Organisers are hoping to beat last year's record of 117. And in sport, plenty of rugby action to enjoy this weekend. The Hurricanes Under-20 competition gets underway tomorrow, with Wairarapa Bush playing rivals Holowhenua Kapiti at 12:30. And there's plenty of interest around the East Coast and Master Red Star promotion relegation game. Kick-off for that match is at 2:30.